Hello everyone. This is video 6 in my series of trying to use Google's Gemini 2.5 Flash to try and learn a new programming language, a NIM, while solving problems off of Project Euler.net's archives. So we're doing problem 6 today. So let's take a screenshot and head over to Excalibur. Okay, let's see what the problem is saying. The sum of squares of the first 10 natural numbers is 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 10 squared equals to 385. The square of the sum of the first 10 natural numbers is 1, 2, 10 equals to 55% to 55 square equals to 3025. Hence the difference between the sum of the squares of the first 10 natural numbers and the square of the sum is 3025 minus I'm sorry, excuse me. Sorry about that. Okay, 3025 minus 385 equals to 2640. Find the difference between the sum of the squares of the first 100 natural numbers and the square of the sum. I don't know if the problems are getting easier or if we're getting smarter, but this kind of looks like this should have been something like problem 2 or problem 3, and something else should have been problem 6, because I feel like largest palindrome, like this was a bit more difficult than this. But let's not assume this is easy. Maybe it's hard. Um, so I think what we'll do is have a for loop. Oops, already made a mistake there. Cool. So I think what we'll do is have a iterator that goes from 1 to 100. Have a variable that holds the sum of squares. And then have a second variable that holds the sum of numbers, sum num, square sum num, and then just sum num, and then just take the delta between two of these, and then just echo the number, I think. Unless I am royally wrong, I think that's it. So, touch problem 6, and then problem 6. So, get or make an iterator. So for I in 1 up to 100, and so including 100, make an iterator, make a variable, make variables. So var sum of nums, sum of squares, sorry, int var sum num int. So we will do sum of squares equals to sum of squares plus I times I. Sum num equals to sum, oh, nope, sum num plus I and I think we just do var final difference int equals sum of squares minus sum num times sum num echo final difference. I would be shocked if, right? I would be shocked if that's not the answer. Success. Probably should have done, well, maybe it's not that simple. I should have done is, well, I kid, but all right, so 251645150, 251, 641, 50. So our 251, 641, 50, that looks to be our answer. So let's go to Project Euler, sign in, username 27774, sign in. Problem 6, 251, 641, 50. Okay. All right. I'm a bit shocked that this is problem 6, but this one gets a smiley face too. We got it correct. I will see you for problem 7 then. Uh, by listing the first 6 prime numbers, we can see that the 6th prime number is 13. What is the 10,001st prime number? Okay. Cool. I'll see you there. All right. See ya.